Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon teriyaki in an air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees F and prepare a simple teriyaki marinade. Pat the salmon fillets dry, then brush or pour marinade evenly. Place fillets skin side down in a single layer with space between pieces. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes depending on thickness, checking at 8 minutes for desired doneness and glaze. Start by combining soy sauce, mirin, brown sugar, garlic, and a splash of rice vinegar to make a balanced teriyaki marinade. Reserve a small portion, then bring it to a simmer and reduce until slightly thickened for a finishing glaze. Pat the salmon dry and score thicker areas so the marinade soaks in. Marinate for at least 15 minutes for flavor, or up to 1 hour for deeper penetration. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof containers for storing leftover teriyaki salmon and packing lunches without spills, and they stack neatly in the fridge. They're sturdy, dishwasher safe, and save time when meal prepping. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place salmon fillets skin side down in the preheated air fryer basket so air circulates freely around each piece. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes depending on thickness, checking with an instant-read thermometer. Aim for 125 degrees F to 130 degrees F for medium doneness and a moist interior, or higher if you prefer firm fish. Brush with reduced reserved marinade during the last minute for a glossy, sticky finish, and let fish rest briefly before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.